Well, good morning. We are tracking some showers working through central Texas here this morning. You can see the cloud cover that's out there now, as well as some of those showers that have developed. They're generally light, but enough that they may be impacting your morning commute. Some of those showers that are developing across Hill and McLennan County. We had this activity that's built over the city of Waco. I stepped outside in this earlier, and it's coming down at a pretty good clip. So although the fact is showing up as only green and yellow here, we have a lot of moisture in the atmosphere. So it may be coming down just a little bit heavier, enough that you need to take it easy on the roads here this morning and plan for an extra few minutes on your morning commute just so that you can get there safely and on time. The Live Radar Network showing a few showers trying to develop to our south as well, down across Williamson and Milam County, but overall these have been generally light as well. We have a cold front to our north that is going to move south and then turn stationary later on today, and that will bring the potential for showers and thunderstorms up as we get into the afternoon and into the evening hours. I think most of the afternoon will just be isolated to scattered activity, but then this evening that's where you could get more scattered to widespread activity trying to develop. Mid-70s on the way. Ahead of that, a very warm and muggy day, especially here for this time of year. Future track showing you the cloud cover staying around today. Again, a couple of pop-up showers still possible through the day. I think that rain chance goes up, especially in our northern counties, as that stationary front nears us later on tonight. And if that can wiggle far enough south, we could see some pretty widespread activity trying to develop. Generally areas north of Waco, Tipple, Killeen, but again, if it wiggles south far enough, then we could see that over the city here as we get into the evening and overnight hours. Now, overnight, that will shift to a warm front. It'll lift north, and that means tomorrow will likely be a little quieter, still warm and muggy, maybe a couple of showers. That rain chance picks back up as another cold front comes through. Secondary push of cool air here as we get into Wednesday, and behind that, we should see temperatures fall and return to more like December conditions as we get into the second half of the week. If we can get that cold front to kind of wiggle a little further south, it's not out of the question that a few of us could see an inch, maybe a little bit more of rainfall, generally north of Waco, Tipple, Killeen. It is something we'll monitor through the day. Behind this, though, look at how quiet it gets once we get past Wednesday. Quiet weather here going into the weekend and cooler weather with that northerly flow continuing. That means we'll see numbers that are more typical here for this time of year. 76 here for today. I'll give it a 50% chance of rain, but know that it's going to favor the second half of the day on into the evening. 20% chance of showers tomorrow, 40% chance of storms on Wednesday. Behind that, look at those temperatures dipping into the 50s and 60s for the second half of the week. And an early look at the Christmas holiday looks warm, 60s and 70s on the way.
Gift card.